Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola G71, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. Now this is the default orientation of all the toggles, so if you haven't changed yours, it should be right about the same place. Once you find your toggle, hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize how the actual mode functions. So in here we have people, apps, alarms, and other interruptions, along with the schedule, and under advanced we have duration for, or basically what happens with the toggle, like once you tap on it what will happen, and display options for hidden notifications, which basically allows you to choose what happens with notifications when the mode is enabled. Now in people we can choose who can call you, who can message you, and additionally under calls we should have, here we go, this tick right here, so if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass the options right here. So you could have set to none, and even though no one should be able to call you during this mode, once this is enabled, they will bypass this option if they call you twice within that 15-minute period. Then for messages, we have about the same options as we do for calls, minus the repeated callers for the 15-minute period. And if we go back, we can select what kind of apps can bypass the Do Not Disturb mode, alarms and other interruptions, again, which ones can bypass. For schedule, you can set up a schedule so the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on and off automatically at a given day of the week and time. And then just the two last options for the toggles. So once you went through all the options there and selected or customized them to your liking, you can close that section and never come back to it again. And when you want to actually enable Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on a toggle right here to enable it, and then once you're done with it, you can tap on it to turn it off. And if you went with the scheduled route, once you set up a schedule, just make sure that the schedule itself is toggled on and you don't need to turn on anything here. The phone will do it for you. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.